A great meal starts long before the food reaches the table. It starts with the right knife in your hand. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best knife sets in 2026, featuring premium options designed to make slicing, chopping, and meal preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner building your first kitchen setup or a passionate home chef looking to upgrade, this list includes knife sets that stand out for quality, performance, durability, and value. We've compared some of the most trusted names in the industry to help you find the perfect match for your cooking style. Stick around until the end, because our number 1 pick delivers a level of craftsmanship that truly stands above the competition. If you enjoy discovering the best tech and lifestyle products, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Tech Fact for more videos like this. Number 5. Cutlux Artisan Series 8-Piece Knife Block Set. The Cutlux Artisan Series 8-Piece Knife Block Set delivers impressive craftsmanship and performance at a price that appeals to value-focused buyers. The knives are made with high-carbon German steel, providing a strong balance of sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Each blade is carefully engineered to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with confidence, from slicing meats to chopping vegetables and preparing everyday meals. The ergonomic pack-a-wood handles feel comfortable and secure, helping reduce hand fatigue during longer cooking sessions. The included knife block keeps the collection organized while adding a stylish touch to the kitchen. What makes this set especially appealing is how much premium quality it offers without reaching luxury-level pricing. It feels refined, performs reliably, and provides a professional look that many home cooks appreciate. For those seeking strong performance and excellent value, this set is a very compelling option. Number 4. Henkel's Classic 15-Piece Self-Sharpening Knife Block Set. The Henkel's Classic 15-Piece Self-Sharpening Knife Block Set is built for convenience, versatility, and everyday practicality. With a wide variety of knives included, it covers nearly every kitchen task, from simple meal prep to more advanced cooking projects. The stainless steel blades provide reliable cutting performance while remaining easy to maintain. Comfortable triple riveted handles offer a secure grip that feels natural during daily use. What makes this set particularly appealing is its self-sharpening block, which automatically sharpens straight-edge knives whenever they are inserted or removed from their designated slots. This helps maintain cutting performance without requiring extra sharpening tools or techniques. The set is ideal for busy households looking for a complete kitchen solution that requires minimal maintenance. It delivers dependable performance while helping users keep their knives ready for action at all times. Number 3. Shun Classic 7-Piece Knife Block Set. The Shun Classic 7-Piece Knife Block Set brings together traditional Japanese craftsmanship and modern cutting performance in a package that feels truly premium. Every knife is built around a VG Max steel core and finished with beautiful Damascus cladding, creating blades that are both visually striking and incredibly sharp. The cutting experience is where this set really shines. Whether you're slicing delicate vegetables, preparing fish, or handling larger ingredients, the blades move through food with remarkable ease and precision. The D-shaped pack-a-wood handles are designed for comfort and balance, helping users maintain excellent control during detailed kitchen work. Beyond performance, the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design, from the elegant finish to the refined construction. This set is ideal for home cooks who appreciate precision and enjoy using tools that feel special every time they step into the kitchen. It combines beauty, sharpness, and craftsmanship in a way that few knife sets can match, making cooking more enjoyable and efficient. Number 2. Zwilling Pro 7-Piece Knife Block Set. The Zwilling Pro 7-Piece Knife Block Set combines elegant design with professional-level cutting performance. Manufactured in Germany, each knife features an ice-hardened blade that improves durability, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. The unique curved bolster design encourages a comfortable pinch grip, giving users better control and confidence while cutting. Whether you're chopping herbs, slicing fruit, or preparing large meals, the knives feel agile and precise without becoming tiring during extended use. The blades glide smoothly through ingredients and maintain their sharpness impressively well over time. The wooden storage block adds a clean and sophisticated touch to any kitchen countertop, while keeping the knives safely stored. This set focuses on quality over quantity, providing the essential tools most home cooks need. It delivers the performance expected from a premium brand while remaining approachable for everyday users who want professional results. Number 1. Wüsthof Classic 9-Piece Knife Block Set. If you're searching for a knife set that delivers professional performance and lasting quality, the Wüsthof Classic 9-Piece Knife Block Set deserves serious attention. Made in Germany, this collection features fully forged high-carbon stainless steel blades that are built for precision, durability, and everyday reliability. Each knife feels exceptionally balanced in hand, allowing for confident control whether you're slicing vegetables, trimming meat, or preparing complex recipes. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip that remains secure even during longer cooking sessions. One of the reasons Wüsthof has earned such a strong reputation is its consistent cutting performance. The blades are engineered to stay sharper for longer, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. The included wood block keeps every piece neatly organized while protecting the edges between uses. From quick weeknight dinners to more ambitious cooking projects, this set handles a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease. It is a premium choice for cooks who value craftsmanship, accuracy, and dependable performance that can serve them well for many years. Those were our picks for the top 5 best knife sets in 2026. From everyday kitchen essentials to premium chef-worthy collections, each set on this list offers something unique depending on your cooking needs and budget. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which knife set impressed you the most? And which one would you choose for your kitchen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you find your next kitchen upgrade, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content from TechFact. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we'll see you in the next countdown.